So guys, today we're teaching how to asset rip models for your Gorilla copy and make it into a package and make it work for any update. So first I'm going to join Discord, link in the description. Go to verify channel, you're going to verify here. You might need to wait 10 minutes to verify. And then you're going to scroll down, find tutorials. And I'm going to go to here, how to asset rip models. Yeah. I'm going to download Asset Ripper and Viz. To download Viz, you have to go to the link, Windows, and then x64, and then run the installation. And then once that's done, you're gonna wanna open Asset Ripper. This, and I'm gonna press Windows R and type in this command. And press OK. And it'll open up Steam console. And then you're gonna want to go to. You're gonna want that, and I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna find the update you want to asset rep for the model. Yeah, I'll do arcade for now. And I'm gonna open the Steam and paste the command here. So yeah, so get your update. Find your update. I'm gonna do arcade and copy this download underscore deport up to the end. Copy that and paste it into here and press enter. And then I'm gonna wait for it to download. Once it says this, deport download complete. Gonna copy between the quotation marks. Don't copy the quotation marks, don't copy that. Go to the asset ripper here. Press file, open file, and then paste the thing up here and press enter. And then you're gonna double click attack.exe. And then you're gonna wait for this to process. Once it says this, finish processing assets, you're gonna go back here, press export, and export all files. But give me a sec. I'm just making a folder for it now. So just make a folder and call it your update. So for me, it'll be arcade. And then press export, export all files. And then find where you made the folder and put it there and export. And it'll take a minute. Okay, once it's done, it should save us. Just press OK, or you can check export complete. And then you can close that short. And open Unity Hub, press add, project from disk, go to where you put it. So for me it's there. Press open, and then open with any Unity version and change version. Continue. Don't download that if you're doing a 24 update or late 23. But any pop-ups, doesn't matter what you press. Except from this one, just press ignore from this one. Once it's opened, you're gonna see you have errors, but errors don't matter because you're only ripping the model. So first you're gonna go to project settings. Go to graphics, and if something's here, you just want to remove it. Press continue. And the same with quality. If you see something here, you just want to remove it. Continue. And player, other settings, make high quality to normal quality. And Android, low quality to normal quality. And then that's what you need to do. And then you're gonna import the shader I sent. This one. And then I'm gonna open the material folder. Select one, press Ctrl A. This is if all of these are no texture. And go to shader, Gorilla Tag, and then new shader. And as you can see, it will be fixed. But then line up 2. I'm gonna set it as 3 p.m. It doesn't matter which 3 p.m. Actually, no, it does. I mean, just find the one. You see, it says Sky Jungle. Find the one that says Gorilla Seg. Yeah, /GT. No, do that. Find the one that says GT. After day-night cycle. And then that's the right on that. And then you can click them. go to Gorilla Tag, Shared, Scenes, or you can search up any assets, Gorilla Tag, and then find a scene and open it. I'll be back when it's open. Okay, once the scene opens, you'll see all of this. Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna want to find the model you want to rip. So, the model you want. So, I'm just gonna find one. Maybe I can find one. Okay, so I'm just gonna rip this bookcase. Or the shelf, whatever. So, you'll see it's combined mesh. So, we're gonna fix that. So, find what this is called, basement shelf. And then I'm gonna search up basement shelf in the hierarchy. And find the decombined one. So here. And then turn on the mesh renderer. Drag it out. So it's on its own, it's not parent. And you're gonna remove any scripts that don't work. And then you're gonna see you don't see it anywhere. So add component, mesh filter. And you're gonna see this mesh collider. Find the basement, well, the mesh will be this. You're gonna click it. You're gonna drag this into mesh filter. And when you move it, you can see you've got the model here. So that's the base of it. And I'm gonna do these books. So again, okay, no. So all of these, turn on mesh renderer, remove that script, add a mesh filter, grab the mesh, and drag it in here. And drag it out. So let's go to parent. Drag it out. Okay. And then just collapse that. And then I'm gonna make a folder. And then I'm gonna call it your model. For me will be, or just gonna call it arcade shelf. I'm gonna make an empty, call it your model. I'm gonna drag all of these into this empty. And then you're gonna find, drag it out, drag into it. And I'm just gonna make an empty in here, call it books. Okay. And then we're gonna find a mesh. So these two are the book meshes. You're gonna drag this into your folder. And then you're gonna find all of the meshes that are included in your model. So also this one. Drag this into your folder. And then you're gonna make a prefab, so drag this empty into the folder. And you're gonna see it's gonna turn into a prefab. And then you're gonna want to get material, so select these three dots, press select material, grab this one, drag it into your folder. I'm gonna make a folder in here, call it mesh, drag the meshes into there, make another one, call it material, and make another one, call it texture 2D, and drag material into here, and in bits, find all of the materials, so these two materials, drag this to the folder, drag these two materials, and I'm gonna grab the texture array, I'm gonna select it, I'm gonna drag this into your folder, and your book one, boom, it's already that texture, it says this, I'm gonna drag this into texture 2D, this, just keep the normal settings. And then once that's done, that's it. Now we're gonna make a package. So you're gonna click on the folder you made, and then right click, export to package. Then just let it load. I'm gonna uncheck include dependencies, press Alt and then export. And then you can just put it where you want it. So I'm gonna put it in here. I want to make a folder quickly. Right click, new folder. Let's call it models, and then file name. Just put what you want the package to be called. I want to call it arcade shelf, and then boom, the package will come up here. And now open the project you want to import it to. Just wait a minute. You can close this project now. You don't need it anymore. Okay, once your project loaded up, you can just drag a package in, and then I'm gonna import it. And then, if your project doesn't have a shader already, you're gonna import the shader, but mine already does. Now, if you drag this, I need to make my writing properly, so don't worry about this. I'm gonna put mine in city somewhere. Put it around here. Just drag this prefab out, and then unpack completely. Make this center. That's gonna create an empty. Call it props. I'm gonna see it's purple. That's because the shader is in here. So just want to import the shader. Save this one again. I'm gonna select all of these, drag the shader on, or just press this, go to sec, new shader. And as you can see, it's pretty good now. And you can make another package of the actual shader in, so it's better. And then you're gonna delete this prefab, and just move this way once it. I guess that's pretty good. And then if you want it static, just turn on static. And then the fixed one, you can just drag this. No, not yet. And now on each object, select all of them, add component, add a gorilla surface override, and then make the index of a hit sound you want. So 8 for me is good. And you can drag this prefab, or drag the object into a folder, and unpack this. And then you can click on the folder, and you can export a new one. So uncheck that, press all, and then export. And then export it wherever you want. And then you can delete the old one. And now that works for all updates. With this, you can't export any scripts to come with it, so yeah. Delete this. I don't want it. Okay, so yeah, that's it.